Basically what we make here is ginkgo biloba from a ginkgo leaf. It's an old product actually, in China it was a medicinal product for thousands and thousands of years. So what it basically does is it thins the blood. It's also got some very good indications for dementia in conjunction with another medicine that's in the marketplace. So it'll not cure dementia or anything like that, but it might slow things down. We manufacture it here for basically right around the world. So we are situated in Little Island in Cork, and we've been here now for 44 years. We're a pharma API herbal manufacturing company. That's where we actually got in touch with DMI, because we did recognise that from a digital point of view we were lacking here. We're a very paper-based company.
DMI is an organisation that support Irish manufacturing to help them digitally transform. There's a lot around how you go about that process. It's what we offer, which kind of struck a note with Cara Partners. We have a number of workshops, and one of these is the digital transformation workshop.
We didn't really know what we were going to do. What we were trying to look at was this big mountain in front of us. We have a huge amount of testing going on, and for each test there might be 10 pieces of paper, and that paper then goes into another paper file, and then it goes to another paper file, and there's a huge amount of data associated with that. In a digital world, we can press a button and you can bring the calculations right through to the end game within a computerized software system. The most important thing for us is to get the right data to input.
I think one of the key things about DMI, our employees are really good. They're experienced. They've had the same challenges that the likes of Cara Partners have, so we can empathise to make Cara Partners' job easier.
When you know somebody at the other side of the desk understands where you're coming from, it's much more easy to trust them to look at these solutions and understand the digital roadmap we might have to do.
I think we brought them along on a process and a methodology that they could work with to kind of think up of how they're going to do it themselves. They've been in Ireland 44 years, they've got a lot of operators, and they want to bring those people on the same journey.
People are your asset. No matter what transformational journey you're going on, whether it's digital or whatever it is, that cultural change is really important. That we actually bring ourselves from a paper-based company to a digital company, but we're bringing everybody along that journey.
And it isn't just about drilling down in technology. We have to take into account the human side aspects of it and also the organisational change aspects.
So what DMI will give you is the roadmap to say, this is what you need to do to make sure whatever software package you decide to go with is going to be successful.